Hi there, Michael here from Concept AV. Just wanted to give you a quick product update about a new one that's entered the market here from Samsung, which combines a normal paper flip chart that people are most often familiar with, as well as an interactive LCD. Here you can see that it combines the two products into one, where we've got anything that we can do with a mouse on a normal computer we can do here, as well as we can flip over to the built-in whiteboarding operating system of the unit, and we can start using that as a whiteboard straight away. As you can see, we can also import content into it that we can then annotate over the top of that as well and have that part of our flip chart system there. We can also import from a number of different digital locations, as well as exporting as well, to keep all our content central and in the cloud and easily distributable. For more information, feel free to get in touch and we'd love to give you a demonstration.